Hey guys, Cody here with Ajax Motorsports, and today I want to show you a build that we've done partnering with Super ATV. So they hooked us up on some parts, and so we decided to do a big build. So this is starting out with the 2023 Can-Am Defender Max. We have the roof, windshield, which is the electric flip windshield, so it has the electric actuators that you just hit a button and it comes up to about 90 degrees. We've done the heavy-duty front and rear bumper. We added in the option to have the recessed light pods here that shoot light off to the sides, and also the light bar up front. We did their quick install Super ATV winch, which is a 4,500 pound synthetic winch here. We did some wheel spacers, 3-inch lift, the Super ATV wheels and tires. We did their mud flares all the way around, and then we also did their Nerf bars. And so their Nerf bars are nice and heavy duty. They kind of match the style of the front and rear bumper there as well. And plus they have an extra step on there. So not only does it protect, but it helps you get in and out of the unit. Super ATV mirrors, side view mirrors, rear view mirror up in the middle. We did the back panel is a tinted polycarbonate window. Back here you also notice that we have the back bumper. It really rounds out the ruggedness of this rig. Yeah, this is our 2023 Super ATV build. Hope you like it.